Really great to be back in Lancaster. I'm a graduate, so I graduated a few years ago. It's really great to see the university and to see students now, especially in the management school. It's really great for students to take a real world issue into the classroom, and they can get creative with that and see how they'll deal with that. But it's also a mutual relationship for us as well. It's really great for us to see students and see their different ideas and get to know them a bit better. It's going really well. It seems like everyone's got some really good ideas, everyone's asking really good questions. It seems like they're really engaged with it.
I think the primary advantage for Fujitsu is that they're going to be scoping out the new future leaders, so to speak. They're going to get a sort of feel for where students actually are, what their interests are, and how they can sort of fit in with Fujitsu's values as a whole. Because I think technology is constantly evolving, so I think it's very important to actually see where the skills actually lie, because obviously the cyber threat landscape is always changing and evolving. The actual calibre of the students that we've got today, I think it is really good. They're asking questions that test us as well. I think when we were preparing the hackathon, I think we thought, it might take a while for the students to sort of get a grasp of, what they're doing and things like that. But they've got underway pretty well straight away, asking really good questions. They're just getting stuck in, really.
Taking a part in events such as the hackathon is a really good way to get an understanding of how the corporate world works. As an academic at university, you really learn about the theory of working in the world, of computer science, of business. It just sort of gives you the realism of putting those theories into practice. Well, I always say that opportunities are what you make of them. At the end of the day, whenever you graduate from your university, sort of everyone has their degree, but getting involved in events such as this is just a good way to put that on your CV, make yourself stand out, and sort of tell your employer what kind of person you actually are. An awful lot of students have really good ideas. They're asking really good questions, some questions that I didn't even think that they would ask. So that really shows that they're really thinking about the case, thinking about their solutions and what else they can do with it.
So for Fujitsu and our clients in the retail sector, the value we get for working with Lancaster University is really drawn out of getting to new ideas, new innovation, new thought from the future business stars that are going through academia at the moment. At some point, we all probably want to retire, and there needs to be some new people to fill those roles. And it's great to see the kind of skills and knowledge and ideas that are coming from the students in academia. So I think for the students, the benefits really revolve around bringing in real-world expertise, knowledge and experience, both from Fujitsu, who deliver cybersecurity and information technology services to a number of global customers, but also from our customers themselves in the retail and hospitality sector, where they can bring some real-life ideas and concepts and information to the students to really get them to understand how cybersecurity and business management sits in the retail and hospitality sector specifically.